Hello children, see, this is a mango tree, a huge mango tree, and the letter today is M. The letter M sound M. So let's start the story. Mango tree. Maddie the monkey lived on a mango tree. One day a man comes and he falls asleep under the mango tree. The man had some masks and had a mirror with him. The man falls asleep. Maddie comes down and he likes the masks and the mirror. So he takes away the mask and the mirror and climbs up the mango tree. The man gets up from his sleep. Now he wants his mask and the mirror from Maddie. He asks for them. Give it to mommy. Give it to mommy. Maddie makes faces at him. Maddie makes faces at him and he doesn't give it back. Give the mirror and mask back. Now the man thinks of an idea to get back his mask and mirror. He gets some milk. He gets a glass full of milkshake and he asks the monkey to come and get the milkshake. The monkey came down with the mask and mirror and he keeps the mask and mirror down and he drinks the milkshake. The monkey was happy to have a mouthful of milkshake and the man was happy to get back his mirror and mask and mirror. That's all children. How did you like the story? Bye-bye for now.